volcanoes Tharsis Montes after myself, but individually I will name them after some of my favorite professors. See that one, the southernmost volcano? I'll name that one after Dr. Pavos. And the northernmost one over there, I'll call Ascratius Mons after Dr. Ascratius. The middle one I'll name after Mrs. Arsha, my favorite professor.
That is a wonderful idea. How did you find them?
I came over here to examine these craters when I stumbled upon them.
Have you guys realized we've each discovered something?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm working on a paper I started back home. It's about Mars right now, and I'm just working on the background information part. These are just my ideas, though.
We were just looking at an impact crater called Hellas Planitia. Hey Leah, what are you doing?
She's trying to find information on the background of Mars, Phobos, and Deimos.
Well, maybe we could help. What do you have so far?
Mars's name came from the Roman god of war because they associated the color of Mars with the color of blood, representing war. The color of Mars viewed from Earth is a bright reddish orange, and the color is made by minerals in the soil that are full of iron.
The reddish-orange color also represents rust. Do you have that?
No.
Rust is made out of iron and oxygen. Do you have anything about Phobos and Deimos?
I don't think so.
Well, first, they are Mars' two tiny moons. They were named for Eris suns in 1877 by an American astronomer named Asaph Hall.
Okay.
Phobos' diameter is about 17 miles, and Deimos' diameter is about 9 miles.
It is unknown by scientists how Phobos and Deimos were formed.
Okay. I think I have enough now.
You know, you should include what Phobos and Deimos mean.
Okay. Phobos means flight, and...
Nope.
Oh, darn. Phobos means fear, and Deimos means flight.
Mars used to be called Eris by the Greeks, you know?
Hey, you guys, you have great ideas, but I just found some notes I made on Earth. The Martian surface can get as low as about negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature is negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars' size compared to Earth is 53%. Mars' atmosphere is a reddish pink, and Mars is colder than Earth because it's farther away from the sun.
I think that's plenty of information.
But do you know what Mars' period of revolution is?
687 days.
Really?
Yeah, although Mars has a period of revolution that is only about 37 minutes longer than Earth, it takes Mars 687 days to revolve around the sun, when it takes Earth only 365 days.
So, what is a revolution again?
Revolution is the motion of a body, such as a planet or moon, along a path around some point in space.
Oh, yeah.
Have you guys seen all of the polar deposits?
Yeah, I think they are the most interesting features in the polar regions of Mars.
What are they? They are thin stacks of finely layered deposits of material.
Scientists believe that the layers consist of mixtures of water, ice, and dust.
The deposits extend from the poles to latitudes of about 80 degrees in both hemispheres.
Lying atop much of the layered deposits in both hemispheres are caps of water ice that remain frozen all year. Oh, I know what you guys are talking about. Those, right? The layers and overlying caps are several miles thick.
In the winter time, additional seasonal caps form layers of frost. The seasonal caps are clearly visible through Earth-based telescopes.
Now I remember. I used to look at them at an observatory in the lab. The frost consists of solid carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice, that has condensed CO2 gets in the atmosphere. Yeah, in the deepest part of the winter, the frosts extend from the poles latitudes as low as 45 degrees, which is halfway to the equator. I'm really going to miss all the amazing things we've seen here on Mars, aren't you guys?
Yeah.
But at least we'll have all the things we named after ourselves to remember us by, like Olympus Mons, named after me, Leah Olympus.
Valles Marineris after me, Valerie Marineris. Tharsis Montes named after me, Lily Tharsis.
And Christ Planitia after me, Carissa Planitia.
Bye, America!
Okay, folks, that took up all the time we have.
Isn't it amazing? You know, I now know some things about Mars.
Me too. Mars is a reddish-orange planet.
It owes its color to iron-rich minerals in its soil. This color is also similar to the color of rust, which is composed of iron and oxygen.
It sure does. But folks, you have just witnessed something amazing.
Yep, this is Queen 4 News, covering you on all of the information about NASA's 4 Americans on Mars. I'm Julia Phobos.
And I'm Kirsten Dimos, and we're signing off.